Hello guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Kobe, and you are in the right place if you want to learn how to create product and design mockups for free with smart mockups. So today's video is all going to talk about how to create mockups like what you seen on the screen right now. And then if you design something, or you create a website or something, and then maybe for a client or something, and then you want to present it in a very nice way for the person, I'm going to show you how you can create mockups for your client to be happy about it. So if you are here and you want to learn how to create product and design mockups for free with smart mockups, then let's go. So in this video we're going to learn how to create this kind of mockups, just like this one as you've seen on the screen. This one for letterheads, and then maybe call cards, and then for posters. Okay, if you want to create mockups for posters, if you design a poster. And then this one is also for a poster, a mockup for a poster. And then this one also for packaging, shipping box and all those things. Maybe you have an e-commerce website, and then you want to design a packaging for your website. You can do a nice mockup for the website. Okay, so basically this is what we are going to talk about today. So if you are ready, stick with me and let's go. Okay guys, so to create the mockup, we're going to use a website to create that mockups. Okay, so any mockup that we want, we're going to use that website to create it. So if you go to your browser, type in kitechdigital.com/smart mockups. Okay, just this one, kitechdigital.com/smart mockups. Now you type in and then you click enter. Okay guys, so you're going to come to this page at the moment you type in and you click enter. Okay, so we'll bring you to this page, this particular page. This is the website that we're going to use to create all the mockups that we want to use. So as you can see, create stunning product mockups easily online. Okay, so first we search for whatever we want. Okay, so maybe the first thing that we're going to do is to create a website mockup. Okay, so we're going to create a website mockup. Now to create a website mockups, let's go to all mockups. Over here you can see every kind of like mockup that you plan to create over here. Okay, and then at the left side there you see every kind of category that you need to create the mockup for. So we need a website mockup, and we're going to use either a desktop, a laptop, a tablet, or a smart phone. Okay, so imagine we want a tablet, a laptop. Okay, we can use the laptop. Okay, but we're going to create what we call multiple screen mockups. Okay, so we're going to use this one, multiple devices. So we're going to click on it. And then guys, before I say, if you are not, I'm already logged on. I have an account over there, so I'm already logged on. You can log in, you can create an account. It's for free, and then you can do it for free. Okay, you don't need to pay anything. But if you want to go for advanced, you can upgrade to the pro version, and then you go. Okay, so when you come over here, you see some are logged. Okay, all these ones are not free, you have to pay for it. This one is free, this one is free. Okay, but we are going to look for the free ones, so we click on free over here, and then we can choose the devices that we want to use to create our mockups. Okay, so all these ones are free devices that you can use to create your mockups. Okay, so we want this one, we want to use this one, so we click on it, and then it's gonna bring us to this page. Okay, it's still loading. Let's hold on. Yeah, it's gonna bring us to this page. Okay, as you can see, we have the these are MacBook. Okay, so we have the iPad over here, the MacBook over here, and then the the iPhone over here. So these are Apple products. Okay, so we are going to use this one to create the smart mockup. Now, as you can see, all the devices can be shown over here. If you hover on it, it tells you the device that if you upload your image or whatever that you want to upload, it will fall on over here. So the iPad Pro, the MacBook is also over there. Now this time around, we are not going to use images, we are going to use URL. Okay, so we're going to do a smart mockup for a website. Okay, so we will copy the URL. So the website that I'm going to use is called Do Trade. Yeah, this website. This is what I'm going to use. So I'll come over here and then click on URL, and then I will insert the website URL in it, and then I'll click on capture. So what it does is it takes a screenshot of the website and then brings it over there. So if your website is responsive, it is very easy. It comes with the responsive mode. Okay, and then we come over here to with the iPad Pro. So we click on URL and then we insert the URL and then we click on capture. Yeah, very good. So we do the same thing to the laptop or the MacBook. We click and we insert the URL, we click on capture, and then as you can see, all the three looking very beautiful. Okay, so now this file can be downloaded as a PNG file, and when you download it as a PNG file, as you can see over here, it doesn't have any how do you call it, any background. Okay, there is no background, there is no scene over here, as you can see. So we can decide to customize the scene, or we can decide to just download it just like that. So we can click on download to download the PNG file, so that maybe we want to use it in any project that we are doing, we will do it. But then I want to send it this straight to the client. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to customize the scene. So I'm going to click on customize scene, and as you can see, you can use your own branding. Okay, or you can decide to choose a different background. So you can use image or color. Okay, so I'm going to use the color over here, and then I'm going to pick a gradient color from here. Okay, or you can decide to use a custom color. Okay, but I'm going to pick a very simple gradient color, this one, to match the color of the website. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. So guys, as you can see, it looks very beautiful and nice over here. So then I'm done, and then I'll click on download. You can choose between medium, high, and then super super high to download the image quality. So I'm going to choose high, and then I'll download it, and it is downloaded over here. Okay, so you can view the image, open the image to view it. Yeah guys, so this is the image that we downloaded. Okay, very nicely done, and we can send this one to the client, and the client will be very happy about it. Now let's move on to a next one. Now we are going to create a different one. Let's say we want to create a poster mockup. Okay, so for a poster mockup, all what we have to do is to also click on print over here. Okay, and then we come over here and we click on posters. Yeah, so we see all the posters over here. Okay, and what we need to do is to like we did the first time, we select free, and then we can select any of these ones. So we're going to choose this one, and then like the same thing as the devices, you can either upload image, or you can upload from URLs. Okay, so we're gonna upload from image. Okay, you can choose from Dropbox, Canva, or maybe you have a Canva image, you can pick it from there. And then I have an image on my computer, so I'm going to use that one. So I'll click on this one, and I'm going to use this one. Okay, it's a logistic poster that I did. for someone. Yeah, very good. So as you can see over here, it is what, very nicely done. Okay, and then you can click on download to download, just like we did for the last time. So this one is for print anything you want to print. Okay, yeah, so you can what, download it and then send it to the client, and the client will be what, very happy about it. Now it has been downloaded. Now the next one that we're going to talk about is also we're going to talk about, let's go to all mockups. Okay, all mockups, branding. Yeah, very good. So let's go to branding. Yeah, so branding, and then we go to free. Okay, now we can choose between whatever that we want. Okay, so we're going to choose this one. Yeah, very good. So as you can see, there are 1 2 3 things over here. Okay, so this one is what, the letterhead. This one is the front of the, maybe the call card, or this one is the front of the call card, and this one is at the back of the what, the call card. Anyhow you want to what, you want to position it. Okay, so we're going to insert from file. Okay, so it's, I have the file from my computer, so I'm going to what, insert. I'm going to insert from my computer, so I'm going to upload from my computer. So I'll go over there, and then I'm going to choose this one for the letterhead. I'm going to choose yeah, this one, this letterhead, and then I'll upload it. So as you can see, the letterhead is what uploaded, and then this one I'm going to choose also a different file. I don't really have a call card, but I'm going to use some of small post-it that I created. Okay, so maybe I want to use yeah, this one. Yeah, very good. And then for this one, I'm going to use the logo, the company's logo. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, it is what, the branding is very unique and it's very nice. So when you send it to the client will be very happy about it. Okay, and that is what, then after that you what, you click on download. So it is downloaded. So guys, the last one that we're going to talk about is packaging. Okay, so packaging. So if you want to what, you know, you want to mock any packaging or whatever it is, you click, you hover over here, and then you choose the kind of packages that you want. Okay, so any kind of package that you want, if it is cosmetic, food, beverage, or whatever the boxes. So I want bags and boxes. Okay, so I select bags and boxes, and at the same time I go for free, so because I want the free one. Okay, so I'm going to use this one, this image of a woman holding a box. Okay, a shipping box. Okay, now as you can see, we have the top, the box top cover, the box front cover, and then the right box you know, side cover. Okay, so I can select an image for the you know, the top cover. I can select an image for the front cover, and then I can select an image also for the box side cover. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select going to choose an image, any image that I can find. Okay, so maybe maybe I'm shipping a phone or whatever it is, so I want this one for the top. Okay, so guys, this is how it looks like. Okay, and then combine the box with the color. Okay, making it very unique and nice. Okay, and then I will have the front box, the box front cover. Okay, so what I want, maybe I want a logo. Okay, so I want a logo, so I'm going to choose this logo. Yeah, I'm going to choose this logo, and then this one also I want a logo, so I'm going to choose the same logo for it. Let me see if I can see the transparent one or the white one. No, it's not there. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one also. Yeah, very good. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. Now after everything, you can decide to customize the scene. Okay, so you can choose the color that you want over here. If the color over here doesn't suit what you want, you can decide to go for white. Okay, yeah, and then make it white. Or if you want it, maybe yellow. Okay, any color that you want, you can decide to choose it and then use it. Okay, anyhow you want it. So basically, let's say I want this color. Okay, and then maybe I want to customize the color, so I want to give it a light here. This one is okay. Okay, and then I can also customize the scene. Okay, so I can decide to customize the scene, choose a different color, choose anything that I feel like it is good. Okay, yeah. So when I'm done with it, all what I need to do is to click on download, choose the quality that I want to download it, and then it is done. Okay guys, so it is downloaded, and then we are done. So guys, this is how you can create a free mockup, okay, for your product, and then for your clients also to be happy about it. Okay, so thank you for watching, and then see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, I beg you, please subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Thank you, so that I'll bring you more quality content again. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.